Bangkok, baby. Bangkok, baby. Walking in Bangkok. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walking in Bangkok. Ooh, through the streets. Meandering in the streets. Ooh, streets of Bangkok. Walking those damn cool streets of Bangkok. Walking, walking, walking. Just walking, walking, walking. Ooh, walking those old beautiful streets of Bangkok.
Okay, we're in Bangkok. We're gonna walk down this street a little bit, kind of show you what it looks like, and give you an idea. This Four Corners, this little area right here is pretty interesting. Some nice, beautiful color. It goes across the bridge right here, and that goes right up into, you can see the signs. And then this is along a riverfront. We got some beautiful architecture right here. So we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we're gonna walk down it. Walking the streets of Bangkok. I'm filming the streets so you can see exactly where we're at in Bangkok, and we're gonna be going down it. And I also have a lot of other streets in Bangkok, so just kind of stay tuned. I'll put up a new one every 3-4 days or so. So keep watching for more of those. Okay. Yeah, look at that beautiful building. Okay, let's we got that beautiful building too, that yellow one. And let me just see what we're gonna do here. I guess we're gonna try to walk across the street, I guess. Maybe not. We're gonna try to capture that yellow building though. I do want to get across. There's a Starbucks over there even. I like the colors in this area. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to capture our sign name right there. It's called Thanon Maitri Chit. And then I'm going to walk down that side, and I'm going to be going towards something called a Nana. So we're going to also look for that. Check out this. We're also going to capture this little space in here because the dog walker there. That's our street right there. You got this beautiful little cafe right here too. Lemon curd. Actually, this side, this street looks pretty interesting as well. Well, we should stay faithful to our street. So. I guess they both look interesting. Okay, let's go down our street. Lemon curd. Huh, okay. This is kind of interesting area. Like, check out that architecture in here. I think it gets kind of dark at night. You know, most of the activities are way up on the Sukhumvit Road area. Sukhumvit, all the small sois up there. But this is kind of interesting, just seeing the architecture down in this area. It's kind of more of the downtown. We're kind of adjacent to the Chinatown area as well. And then you got some pretty interesting architecture like this one right here. Like, check out that building. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like little narrow balconies, and like the balconies look kind of like French windows or something like that. And then you have this little side one. I don't know if that's the end of the hall. That looks amazing. Let's see what else we got in here. Suddenly, I kind of want to stay in some areas like this in the future, because I kind of have a feeling there'd be. That's pretty cool. I guess everybody's capturing this image. So yeah, this building right here. Everybody's capturing that image right there. There's another interesting building down that way too. Wow, okay. Well, this is the street that I'm kind of wanted to, this is the one I'm going to label it. There's a Chinatown, and I kind of want to go down in this area. Best Koi Sao. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I didn't know about this. This is super cool. This is unexpected. I did not expect this little street with all this cool stuff in here. Not even for a moment. What in the world? This is really, really cool. Wow, okay, I just didn't expect that. Well, that's gonna change our video a little bit here. I guess I'm still gonna label it with the same, some cats right there. I'll still label it with the same name as that street. And then we won't go all the way down the street, but we are capturing some pretty cool stuff. Huh. Cannabis. Oh. Huh. Coffee and tea. Suddenly. Like, is that the same cat that was behind me? Cat is like looking at me. I was like back and the cat is watching me. Wow, that's crazy. Okay, I didn't expect that at all. Let me just see where we are. Huh. Okay, so we basically went down that street and then came up this street. And I guess the only thing we can really do is kind of show you a little bit of this, a little bit of this. And I think I'm gonna go right back and maybe go down that other street a little bit, and then we'll just kind of label it accordingly, because this is a pretty cool, interesting area. Things are kind of closing down a little bit, but yeah, I had no idea that thing was in the alley. There's a Starbucks over there, so that means that I saw some foreigners around. I think one of those places in that alley, there was a foreigner, the back of his head. I don't know if I can capture it very well in the camera, but sometimes I don't move the camera around so much because there's it makes it kind of move around too much. Here's that curd shop again. Okay, so yeah, this is this little curd shop. Oops. Lemon curd, so that was kind of at the base of our street. It's really cool in there. And then over there, I didn't even know this artwork was over there either. Okay. So am I walking down a different street now? I'm not really sure. Okay, so I guess this is the same one. So I did walk down some of this. And I guess we'll just end it in this, we'll end it right where we're at. San Mateo, California. And we'll end it right there. So there you go. Slices of Bangkok here for you.